week we're learning about amphibians. Can we all say amphibians?
Amphibians.
Amphibians. Now everybody, we all have skin on our body, right? Dogs have fur on their body, right? Snakes have scales on their body. Touch your skin. You have skin. Is your skin rough or smooth?
Smooth.
Rough or smooth? Smooth. Is your skin hard or soft?
Soft.
Your skin is soft. That's right. But what about the frog? Let's learn about the frog. So, we saw the picture of the frog. The frog's skin always looks wet, doesn't it? Why does it look wet?
Because it tops in the water.
It stays in the water. So here, for example, we're going to pretend that this is a frog that has not gone in the water. And this one is a frog that's gone in the water, okay? So, go ahead and touch this. Are you wet or dry? Is your skin wet or dry right now?
Dry.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You want me who is dry, okay? All right, let's see. Stay over there, Mr. Froggy, don't move. Now, this is our other froggy. Oh, perfect. This is our other froggy, okay?
Ribbit.
Yeah, ribbit. It's our other froggy, okay? But his skin is actually very smooth. Feel his skin. We'll take this towel, pretend this is a frog, and we're going to put it in the water. And we're going to make it what? Wet. And we're going to put it over here. I'm going to take this froggy, this paper, and I'm going to put it outside. And let's see what happens. So this is the froggy that just jumped in the water, and this is the froggy that is not in the water. And now, what do you think is going to happen when Mr. Froggy, who is wet, let's make him wet. Let's make Froggy wet. Pop. Upside down. Look, he's going upside down. Prop, 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 prop. Okay. And he's playing Hokey Pokey. Well, who knows the Hokey Pokey song?
Yeah.
Put your one leg in and put your one leg out. One leg in and jump all about. Do the Hokey Pokey. What? Do the Hokey Pokey and in the pond. That's what you're all about, Froggy. Okay, put Froggy over here. Put Froggy over here. What do you think is going to happen to Froggy and this paper when I put it outside? If Froggy doesn't go in the water, what do you think is going to happen?
Dry.
Give me a full sentence.
Dry.
He's going to get dry, right? But remember one thing. Frogs need to keep their skin wet all the time. Why is that?
Because they're amphibians.
They're amphibians, but that doesn't give me my answer. Why do frogs need to keep their skin wet?
To make them warm.
They need to maintain the temperatures, and because they breathe as well through their skin, they need to be in water. Do you need to live in the water? No. You breathe through your nose. That's right. So they breathe through their gills, which are on the side, and they need to keep the skin wet. If they don't keep the skin wet, they will not be able to survive. That's why Froggy comes in and out. In actual fact, look, he's already almost dry. Look at that. He's almost dry, Mr. Froggy. So we're learning that the frog's skin must be what? Wet. Amphibians need to be wet. They need to live near the water. Look, he's already dry. Right? Do you see that?
Yeah.
He's already dry.
I like Mr. Froggy.
Okay. So
To their skin.
and why do they need to live near water? They need to keep their
Body wet.
They need to keep their skin wet. Very good job. So we'll bring Mr. Froggy back later on and see how he's doing. Got it? Okay, say bye-bye, Mr. Froggy.
Bye, Mr. Froggy.
See you later.
See you later.
All right, Mr. Froggy, let's go. Be good. No potty in the tray, okay?